Today I have a cabinet lock that was sent to me by Roy Salmons. He sent about 4 of these in 2 different sizes, and there are 4 levers. It doesn't have a name or manufacturer on it anywhere. It just has a little mark on there that tells you that it's 4 levers. Very hard to see, but it's down there. So that's all I know about it. And I don't know if I've ever picked this or not, but we're going to give it a try. And I'm going to use this homemade tensioner that I made recently in a video not too long ago, just out of nuts and bolts. Get it at the hardware store for less than a couple of bucks, and a key that I filed down. And the bolt here slides all the way over on both sides. So it's like for a cabinet of some sort that would lock both doors at one time. And there's a window right there that you can see the levers in. So let's get the tension tool in there, tug against the bolt. Medium to hard tension, and I have this lollipop pick made from 2 fender washers, 2 nuts and 2 small bolts, and some double stick tape in there to keep the wire from moving. And that's all that was. And that's, less than $1. So let's get the pick in here. Zoom in a little bit maybe, and you'll be able to see the levers move up and down as I apply tension. Like I said, there are 4 levers in here. Using the thinnest piano wire I have. I can see the bolt sliding a little bit, so I'm getting somewhere. There. Okay, let me pull back. See this bolt moving either side. So we've got that picked. I'll turn all the way to the right there. And there we go. Thanks, Roy. It was a fun pick.